Hi, I'm Alexander Grace and I'm a real estate student at Nottingham Trent University. This placement came about when I went to the careers fair in my second year. Someone at Carter Jonas was present at the careers fair. I spoke to him about this infrastructures placement and instantly it kind of clicked with me and I thought it would be something I wanted to look into. My day-to-day, I do many different things. I go out a lot and do site visits and land inspections around the country. Do a lot of client work and assist my boss on big companies such as HS2, Network Rail. This allows me to develop my skills alongside professionals in the industry to further my career. I think the number one skill in my placement that I've learned so far is definitely time management. That naturally kind of goes into my work now. I organise myself more outside of work as a result of my inside work schedule. I think the best part about Carter Jonas definitely is the people. I consider my work colleagues and my friends, and even though I've been here 4 months, I feel like I've already made friends in the industry for life. This placement has definitely given me a new insight into the industry and kind of roles that I didn't really realise were there. I think that it's really impacted and influenced how I feel about the future. Nottingham Trent is a great university for employability. There's a dedicated team that is always there to help and always assist you with your CV and any other questions. I would 100% recommend doing a placement to any second year student at NTU. The ability to stand out on your CV having a year in industry is invaluable. I'm in a great placement now and looking forward to postgrad with loads of opportunities and a really stacked CV due to NTU.